I would like to share with you an opportunity because, okay, I sold some positions, okay, but I also bought something because probably you know if you follow my webinars, I'm Italian. If you didn't know, probably you can notice it because of my accent. But uh, we had a drop on Ferrari, which is one of the best companies we have in Italy, and it's listed at 90. Okay, very interesting because the drop came with very high volume, which is a good sign. It means a lot of people bought together with the drop, but the company is doing really great in terms of results, but they just said that they will come out with an electric vehicle in 2027 and not 2026. And so the stock dropped, okay? Which is something funny because 2 years ago, the stock dropped because the company said they would have they would come out with sooner or later with an electric vehicle. Okay, so market is never happy. But talking about fundamentals, guys, we have a company which is really interesting. Look, this is a company few times in my life since the company was listed, and I'm talking about 5 years ago. I saw this company few times undervalued, really few times. And I'm talking about 2022, and I'm talking about 2025, where I bought I bought again some shares. If you go to our YouTube channel, you can go back in all my videos, and you can definitely find the video where I talk about. Here we are. This is why we are buying Ferrari stocks. I made the video. You can go to our YouTube channel and you can find it. By the way, this is a very interesting because I really saw few times in my life this company undervalued on the market, and now it's undervalued by just 6%, which is something really interesting in my opinion, because this company, it's kind of impossible cannot grow in the future, because if we go here to the transcriptions, we can find something really interesting. Where is it? They also confirmed the guidance for 2025. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, Anyway, I cannot find it right now, but in, probably it was in the previous quarter. Oh yes, look, because this one was from 31 of July. Yes, in the previous quarter, they said that something like 80% of Ferrari cars are sold to someone who already has a Ferrari. I mean, we are not talking about cars, we are talking about luxury toys for rich people. Okay, and it's amazing, in my opinion, to see this company undervalued, because it's like having Nvidia undervalued. It's like having Palantir undervalued. Okay, so just to let you know, I sold many companies because I'm expecting a downward movement for the entire market, but I doubled down Ferrari because I really think in the long run this is a gem to have in our portfolio. If you have 1 minute, guys, and you go to Google and you write Forecaster.biz, please help me to reach 300 Google review. on regarding Forecaster. It's very important for us because we are trying to going abroad, and we are trying to let our software known all across the globe. If you have 2 minutes, you can go to Forecaster.biz Trust Pilot, which is a review website. Here we are. And if you can write also the review here, I can be more I will be more than happy, because it really helps us to let our software known. We are doing, I think, a really great job. We are constantly improving. Just 1 week ago, we went out with this new method of the fair value calculation, which is really nice for growing companies. I mean, we are really putting effort in trying to give you the best financial software ever. And next week, I will tell you something that it's very important for us. So thank you very much.